Good morning.
Good morning.
So today we have a very nice door window here that probably this afternoon will no longer be there. But we still have to figure out how to do it.
Yeah, we have no clue how to remove this. Maybe we should just use a hammer and smash the whole thing out.
No, the thing is that this door actually has no more than 5 years.
You want to reuse it?
And probably I can sell it. I would just sell it. I mean, it's very good. It's PVC, double glass, HR++. If you want to buy it, just call me.
Who wants to buy? Let's see how we get it out. So as you can see, we're now standing on top of the new floor. 2 days ago, the guys came to put down this concrete floor. They came around 7 in the morning, so it was actually quite early for us. But the guys were really good. Yeah, they did everything in about 2 hours time. But yeah, overall really happy with the result. We're going to check how straight it really is. But it seems to be very good. On this side you clearly see the screws, right?
Yeah.
So clearly on this side we need to somehow... Yeah, I think we can take out the door first.
Out the door, and then we figure out how
figure out the rest.
How to pull out the frame.
Okay, let's start with that.
Do that. There we go.
Definitely loose.
This thing might be, I don't know how much it is, but
it's heavy, man.
can we lift it? I don't know where.
What? Holy shit!
This thing is super heavy.
Are we still stuck?
Yeah, we're still stuck. Okay.
Holy shit, this thing is
But
like
still is heavy.
super heavy, man.
That's why we will have reinforced today.
Where are we putting this door? I don't think we thought this through.
Not much. Don't do that. Plan ahead.
I'll just wait here.
Hold the door! Hold the door!
At least it's not raining today. I thought this was going to be the easy part. This is gonna be a long day. These are some long screws.
There's all this expansion foam. That might also be gluing it
Yeah,
a little bit. So we're gonna just go with a normal saw from the inside to the outside, just to saw it and then make it easier to remove it. And just go from here. Go to the other side. There we go. Got something there. There we go. This definitely helps. It's way easier to put it out, but I think still we are locked on that side. There's something.
Ah, there's a screw.
There's definitely something in there.
Ah, shit.
There's something
Ah,
else
there's
here.
screws. Okay. We're screwed, man. Yeah, so we have to take out the window first then. Really make sure that the whole window's out, and then we can take out the screws from the frame. Okay, let's do it. We consulted our fellow YouTube friends.
And apparently this is the way they do it.
Yeah, because it's plastic, it's quite flexible, so you can just kind of pop it out somehow. So now the glass should be popping out somehow.
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
This is coming.
Might be heavy, yeah?
Let's see. It's not that heavy.
Where are we putting this one?
Yeah, there. So.
Who wants to buy a glass? what's next?
So the next step is to remove this base, because as you see the cement comes up to this point. There will be a wall in this part that we're gonna build, and the second wall we are gonna make the brick wall also from the external side. So we want to actually start from the base. So the first thing is removing this, removing all the wall, all this crap that is around, clean it up properly, and then we make a wall.
Okay guys, we're having help from a from a third doctor today. So now we're with three.
Dr. Kamuri, specialist in soft things.
Yeah, now I'm trying to do hard things now.
Right guys, so we removed all this mess that was here. Also all these little tiles that were on top of this part. We removed all the mess that was around here. And we actually did the same thing on the other side. Okay, so what's the plan?
So the plan here is that there's gonna be a big window, 1 meter by 120. We're gonna center it. So we need to build up a part of this wall. Also some thick space here, one on the left, one on the right, to actually keep a window of 120. The guy from the kitchen, they already came and measured, and the measurement is starting from this level to that wall, and from this level to that level. So we need to remove this excess. So I prefer to remove it now, and then we build the wall.
Right, let's do it.
Cardboard!
Yes, okay, so we measured. We can actually see that on this side everything is correct. So on this side we don't need to break anything away anymore. I think on this side we still need to do a little edge over there, this part. And some small pieces on the wall, and I think then we're done here.
So we are gonna make a wooden frame of the same size of the window, so we can, after we build the wall, we can cover it for a bit, and then tomorrow continue with the work, or maybe next week.
Pretty broken, man. Don't pre-drill, it'll break your drill.
So we need to fill in all this stuff with blocks that we are gonna place now. I need to actually. Yeah, you can cut.
Right, so we mounted all these planks, or you don't see that, all these planks onto this wooden frame to make sure that no one can break in once we actually mount this thing onto the wall. Yeah, let's see how strong this actually is. I'll be the guy who tries to break in. The burglar. I think it's okay. Right.
We have made some preparations already to start building the actual wall. Mix it a bit of this material. This is the glue. It's not cement. This is a special glue for this type of blocks. I choose this type of this size because it's way easier to lay down. We're gonna make one entire here, a second one there, then an entire here, a second one there, and a few blocks. This is gonna be done. So let's do it.
Let's do it. Alright, quick updates guys. We put in the first few bricks on this side. It was a complete mess because there are a lot of holes on this side. The wall is not straight. It's really difficult to put everything straight in. We managed to cut out a piece here for the sink that will become here. So we actually managed to put this in here. Now we're trying to make sure that on this side we actually are aligned with the wall like we should be. Looks pretty good. So we're okay now, but it's taking a lot of time. So let's see if we can
Finish for today.
finish today. It's already getting dark.
Yes.
Right guys, as you can see, this is a bit of a pain in the ass. Oh, I don't think I'm allowed to say that. We actually broke a little piece here because it was too thin, so it just broke the whole brick. We still have quite some layers to build, so let's see if we can do it. So guys, as you can see, we managed to actually get this far. As you can see, the guys are now trying to put the last piece in here, but clearly this was tougher than we expected. So yeah, we'll try to clean up for today. We're gonna call it a day and see you in the next one.